Hey guys, so I have a very special acquisition from Poshmark. So sometimes when you buy something, you automatically get it authenticated, whether you ask for it or not. And then it gets sent to the seller sends it to Poshmark. The Poshmark they authenticate it and then they send it to you. Or if it's not all genuine, you get your money back. So I didn't know that. And I don't know what threshold you have to hit in order to generate that. But this particular purse, and I looked at it on the Coach website, and I just knew it would be there for a while because it's expensive. And next thing I know, I looked and it was all sold out. And then I panicked because I really wanted it. But I was waiting. I was trying to see if it's going to come down a little bit, even 20%. And I didn't get a notification that the stock was low or anything. And I liked it. I mean, hit the like button on it. Anyway, so I found one at Poshmark. And it was the same price. And it was new with tags. So let's take a look at it. This person did not mark it up, which thankfully, because if they had marked it up, I probably wouldn't have got it. And then right after I bought this, a week later, somebody had one. It was slightly used, but it was half this price. But anyway, I thought that I wouldn't see this again. So I went ahead and picked it up because I felt like I wouldn't be able to stand it. So anyway, this is the purse that I picked up. And I really told myself this is a crazy purchase. But I could not do it. All right. Okay, so let's take it out. And it's nice that they rewrap it. Awesome. And I guess if I want to sell this myself later, I'll have this that has already been authenticated. I don't know if that would work though, because you could put this on anything, right? Anyway, here we go. I'm still some ways kind of kicking myself, but you know what? It's not as expensive as a Louis Vuitton, so and Louis Vuitton is kind of like my Grail purse, but I like this one better. And so here we go. Let's take a look. Oh, it's worth it. And she's gorgeous. I saw someone unbox one of these and I just could not. I just almost couldn't sleep. I kept looking at it almost every day online. And I would call myself watching it. And it never did go down in price. And then next thing I know, I was going to pull the trigger anyway. But I was going to have a little plan. But then they ran out, which just shocked me. And like I said, I panicked. All right. So here we go. So let's take a look at this one. So this is the Tea Rose Rogue. I don't have any other Rogues. I just thought, and I just thought this was so pretty. When the person I was watching unbox this, I was like, it was just uncommonly just gorgeous. Now there are other colors I've seen online, but this one is just outstanding. And I'm not even that big of a pink person, but this is just outstanding. It's just so pretty. So this is what it looks like, and this feels amazing. So I've often wondered, what is the big deal with Rogue? Why is it so much more expensive? And so I guess it is this type of leather, and then it's this style, and then these zippers look, I don't know, heavy duty or something. I don't know. I mean, this only been on my radar for the past few months. This is the only Rogue I've ever wanted. I've ever even known the name of it. But once I saw someone unbox this, I was just obsessed with it. All right, so let's take a look. So you got debossing on there. And then you have these appliques. They're just exquisite to me. And then we have the hardware. And then look at all of those. They're just gorgeous. And I actually had gone to the Coach outlet in Mississippi, and they actually had a keychain that went with this. And I picked it up. I had it in my hand. And I was like, you know, I think I don't need the keychain to go with it. You know, I was going to use it as a charm. And I was like, it would be too much, you know. And I wouldn't use it as an actual keychain because that would just be a waste, because it would, I don't know, tear up over time. So anyway, I was like, you know what, let somebody else enjoy it. So I left it. But let's take a look at this. I had a little bit of buyer's remorse, a little bit, like waiting on this to come. But then I was thinking, nah, this is my Louis Vuitton. So, all right. So, and this is just a note. I guess this is, I don't know if this is a seller or the Poshmark people, because it has their emblem, but I don't know if that's the seller. Anyway, it's a nice little thought. Anyway, whoever it's from. All right. Oh, let me get this ink off my hand. So when you use, I've noticed now that this particular thing, I got it from Temu. It's one of those security things, but this one is so wet till it takes a long time to dry, and you have to make sure that you don't get it on you, because it will transfer onto things. And I would be very upset if that ink transferred on this. But I just thought that I would tell y'all that if you have one of those. All right. Because I was opening one of my pens and I saw that ink on my hand. I'm like, I haven't even used black ink today. I don't know where I got that ink from. And then it dawned on me, it was from the packaging. All right. sorry I'm putting y'all through that, but I had to be very careful with cutting this. All right, so, and it is a kind of a small purse, but not really. I think it's big enough to do what I need to do. So you have a little pocket on the inside. Oh, this is so nice. This, oh, and look at the hardware on that side. And let's see. And then even the tag is really nice. So you got branding on all the little facets there. Even the ones that are like in between the flowers. On all the little facets. Oh my gosh. Was it something on the desk? Look at that. I've had it 2 minutes. Oh. Did that come off my hand? Anyway, there we go. And then oh, I forgot about the straps. So you have a shoulder strap, and then you have the crossbody. Oh no, these are handles. Okay, so these are handles, and then the crossbody, I guess. I remember people saying that there were 2 sets of straps. Look at the hardware all on that. So I'm guessing the Poshmark people had to take all this off to authenticate it. But I don't think anybody is putting this kind of detail in a fake. And even if they did, I think I'd buy it. And let's see, we got even the branding is on these little pieces. And then we have the leather brand. I don't know if you can see that. And that's a pretty decent cavity right there. Yeah, so I'm really excited. All right, guys. So that is what I had to share today. So I thought that I would share that with you. So this is the Coach Rogue Tea Rose. All right. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.